December 2020.
Just hours after the International Court of Justice delivered the verdict, President Cyril Ramaphosa addressed the people of South Africa. He commended the country's legal team, which took the case to The Hague and lauded the ICJ's decision.
Today, Israel stands before the international community, its crimes against the Palestinians laid bare. Since October last year, the people of Gaza have been the victims of bombardment and strikes from land, sea, and air. Homes, refugee camps, and entire neighborhoods have been destroyed, and not even schools and hospitals and religious places have been spared. We expect Israel, as a self-proclaimed democracy and a state that respects the rule of law, to abide by the measures handed down by the International Court of Justice.
The ICJ case has solicited quite a huge interest here in South Africa. In a number of places, people gathered to watch as the verdict was being delivered. The governing African National Congress put up big screens in many areas around the country to enable people to watch the proceedings. However, the verdict wasn't universally cheered across the country. Many had expected the court to call for an immediate ceasefire in Gaza and bring the killings and destruction of lives to an end. Yet, most understood the significance of what the ICJ decided in a conflict which has divided opinion across the world.
It's one step forward towards ensuring that we bring about total ceasefire in Palestine, and of course advancing towards the struggle for self-determination of the Palestinian people.
Palestinian organizations and other activists also gathered to watch the court proceedings.
The opening remarks were very encouraging because the validity and the standing of South Africa to bring this case before the court was confirmed, but the final ruling was very disappointing, and it's disappointing in that it will not be able to prevent any of the deaths and will not give a signal to Israel to stop the killing of Palestinians.
We're very pleased that they're taking this substantial issue and that they believe there to be a plausible case of genocide to investigate. Of course, we wanted to hear the word ceasefire.
President Ramaphosa wrapped up his message saying South Africa will not waver in its support of the Palestinian people. Yulisa Njamela for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.